kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the words beginning with the sound of the letter R. In this lesson, you will be able to recognize pictures and read words beginning with the sound of the letter R. Are you ready? R is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter R. How to write the uppercase letter R? Use 2 strokes to write the uppercase letter R. Start at the blue headline. Put down straight to the blue baseline. Lift. Go back to the starting point. Slide right curve forward to the red midline, side left. Slant right to the blue baseline. This is a lowercase letter R. How to write the lowercase letter R? Use 1 stroke to write the lowercase letter R. Start at the red midline. Pull down straight to the blue baseline. Push up and curve forward right. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter R. R is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter R sounds as
See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
Read the consonant-vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins. R, ra, rat. E, re, red. Re, ring. Raw, robot. Raw, rod. Let's practice. Ra, re, re, ra, ra. Re, ra, re, ra, raw. Ra, re, ra, ra. Raw, ra, re, ra. Now it's your turn. Well done. Rabbit. radish. Rug. Rat. Rattle. Rectangle. Red. Rest. Rib. Ring. Rip. River. Road. Robin. Robot. Rock. Roll. Rocket. Rose. Rug. Ruler. Run. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter R. Rabbit, radish, rug, rat, rattle, rectangle, red, rest, rib, ring, rip, river, road, robin, robot, rock, roll, rocket, rose, rug, ruler, run. Are you ready? Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant vowel pair with which each name begins. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The picture begins with the sound of ribbon. The picture begins with rabbit. The sound of the picture begins with rest. The picture begins with the sound of roll. The picture begins with the sound of ring. The sound of the picture begins with red. The sound of the picture begins with raw, rose. Check the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter R. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Let's check your answers. These are the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter R. Rain, rainbow, river, rake, roots, raccoon. Practice writing the letter R on your notebook.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.